Hello students, I am Shubham sir, your maths teacher. Hope you all are fit and fine. So today we will start our first video class of mathematics. At first we need to know the syllabus of class 7 math. The syllabus is divided into 5 themes. Theme 1, it is number system. It consists of 5 chapters. Then theme 2, commercial math arithmetic. Then algebra, geometry and data handling part. So today we will start the first chapter of theme 1, that is the chapter integers. Okay, let's start. At first we need to know about the basic things of number system. So at first, what is real number? All numbers including fractions, we know that they are real numbers. Rational and irrational number both are real numbers. Example 0, half, 2 by 3, 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2, root 2, they are real numbers. And another one is imaginary numbers denoted by I. It is not included in your syllabus, so we can skip it. And then what is whole number? A number without fraction. So any number without fraction, we can say that they are whole number. 0 is also a whole number. Now what is natural number? Natural numbers are those used for counting and ordering. Always remember, 0 is not a natural number. 1, 2, 3, 4 they are natural numbers, but 0 is not a natural number. Natural number is also called counting number. And now what is integer? Integers are the numbers excluding fractions. So we can classify it into 3 categories. One is positive integer, one is 0 and one is negative integer. So examples are 1, 2, 3, 4 they are positive integers. Minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1 they are negative integers. Okay, and 0 is also an integer. It is a non-positive, non-negative integer. Okay, so in the number line plot, we can plot this like this. From minus 1 to minus infinity, they are all negative integers and denoted by I minus. And from plus 1 to plus infinity, they are all positive integers. It is denoted by I plus and it is 0. Okay, this is the basic things about the number system. Now we will study about multiplication of integers. Okay, the product of two integers of the same sign is always positive. Suppose we have a positive integer and another positive integer. The product of these two positive integers is always positive. Okay, suppose 5 into 4, they are also the result is 5 into 4, 20. We know that. The product of two negative integer is also positive. That means the product of two integers of the same sign is always positive. Here minus 5 into minus 4 is also positive, that means 20. Okay, and another one is that the product of one positive integer and one negative integer is always negative. Always remember that. If we multiply one positive integer with another negative integer, then we will have a negative value. Example, if we multiply 5 with minus 4, then we have minus 20. Okay, now we will study about properties of multiplication. Now we will know about properties of multiplication. The product of two integers is always an integer. Always remember it. Suppose we have m, an integer, and n is an also integer. Then their product, that means m into n, this will be an integer. Example, 5 is an integer and 6 is an integer. Their product gives 30. It is also an integer. It is positive integer. We know that. So this is actually a property of multiplication of integer. And now we will study about commutative property. Commutative property of multiplication of integers. According to this property, if m and n are two integers, then the product m into n and the product n into m will give the same value. That means m into n is equals to n into m. According to this property, when you rewrite an expression by commutative property, you change the orders of numbers being added or multiplied. Clear? They will give same value. M equals to 6, n equals to 7. Example. If we write m into n, then we will have 6 into 7, that means 42. And if we write n into m, that means 7 into 6, then also we will have 42. So they will give the same result. So we can say that the multiplication of integers have commutative property. Clear? Now we will know about associative property. Suppose L, M, M and N are three integers. Okay. Then according to this property, if we write L into M into N in the first bracket and L into M in first bracket and then into N, then this will have the same value. So if we have L equals to 5, M equals to 3 and N equals to 2, then according to this property, for if we write L into M into N in the first bracket, then 5 into 3 into 2 in the first bracket, then the result will be 5 into 6 equals to 30, and M into 3, that means L into M in the first bracket and into 2, then we will have 15 into 2, that means 30. So they will have same value. That means associative property of multiplication allows us to group factors in different ways to get the same product. So it does not matter where you put the parenthesis.